Hello! Construction workers are in high demand in the UK, and there are lots of great opportunities for foreigners with the right skills. If you're looking for a job in the UK and you need help with visa sponsorship, then construction work could be the perfect fit for you. With the UK's construction industry growing rapidly, there is an increasing demand for skilled construction workers from abroad to enjoy a rewarding career. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the jobs available for construction workers in the UK and the visa sponsorship options that are available. We'll start by looking at the types of construction work available in the UK, including everything from building homes, schools, and other structures, to repairing and renovating existing buildings. Construction workers can also work in the civil engineering sector, which involves building roads, bridges, railway lines, and other infrastructure. What are the general duties of construction workers in the UK? These include reading and interpreting blueprints, sketches, or building plans to determine the type and dimensions of the structure to be built. Calculating dimensions and tolerances using measuring instruments, such as meter rules, levels, plumb bobs, and other surveying equipment. Examining and inspecting work progress, equipment, and construction sites to verify safety specifications are met. Removing debris and hazardous materials from construction sites using hand tools and power tools. Installing structures, such as frameworks, columns, beams, and foundations using hand tools and power tools. Constructing and repairing walls, partitions, ceilings, and floors using different materials such as steel, wood, and concrete blocks. Assembling, installing, and maintaining plumbing systems, electrical wiring, and other duties in and out of the construction site. Basic skills needed for construction jobs in the UK. Ability to read and interpret blueprints to understand the plans of a project. Good understanding of the different materials used in construction and their proper use. Construction work is a physically demanding job. Workers should be able to handle the heavy lifting and difficult tasks. Be able to troubleshoot and come up with solutions. Ability to communicate effectively with the team and other stakeholders, and being able to work together effectively. Be able to adapt to changing situations quickly. You are expected to manage your time effectively to meet deadlines. Now, let's look at visa sponsorship options for construction workers. If you're from a non-EU country, you'll need to apply for a Tier 2 work visa to work in the UK. This visa is usually granted for a maximum of 5 years, and it allows you to work in the UK legally. Isn't it incredible? You'll need to show that you have a job offer from an employer in the UK before you can apply for the visa. Your employer must also provide a certificate of sponsorship. This is a letter of support from the employer that confirms they are offering you a job. Once you have your Tier 2 visa, you'll be able to stay in the UK for the duration of your visa, and you can apply for permanent residency after 5 years. Construction workers must meet certain criteria to qualify for a Tier 2 visa, such as having a valid job offer, a valid passport, and proof of the relevant qualifications and experience for the job. Other than the Tier 2 visa, there are other visa options available for construction workers. These include the Tier 5 visa is aimed at temporary workers in the UK, and the Tier 1 investor visa is specifically aimed at high-net-worth individuals who wish to invest in the UK. You are highly valued by employers. They often provide a unique set of expertise to the job. As such, many employers in the UK offer visa sponsorship to foreign nationals who are willing to fill the skills gap. Different types of construction jobs in the UK providing visa sponsorship for foreigners are bricklayers, electricians, plumber, painter and decorator, roofers, mason, tile fitters, carpenters, plasterers, construction managers, surveyors, demolition workers, site managers, laborers. Application process for construction worker jobs in the UK. Before applying for a construction job in the UK, foreigners must research the available job opportunities to ensure that the job is suitable for their experience and qualifications. More so, check the eligibility requirement to be sure that you are eligible for the job. These are the best sites to visit to get jobs directly from the hiring company's source: totaljobs.com, read.co.uk, and indeed.com.uk. When you find a job that interests you, make sure you read the job description, associated job benefits, the salary package, etc. Then, click the best desiring job and apply. This will involve filling out an application form on the company's website and submitting your CV and cover letter to the construction companies. Once your application is received, the employer will assess your qualifications and might conduct an interview when necessary. If you are offered the job, you will then need to apply for a visa to allow you to work in the UK. The employer will need to provide evidence that you are eligible to work in the UK and will need to apply for the visa on your behalf. Once both your job and visa application are approved, then you can begin to work in the UK. Don't forget that you must continue to meet the requirements of the visa sponsorship, including paying taxes and staying within the visa restrictions. That will be all for now. Drop a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. If you have questions, use the comment section, as your requests will be responded to ASAP. See you in my next video.